The elections in Manipur will be conducted in two phases. First phase, the notification will be issued on 1st of February. Last day of nomination will be 8th of February. Scrutiny of nominations will be conducted on 9th of February. Last day of withdrawal of candidature would be 11th of February. And date of poll for the first phase will be 27th February, that is a Sunday. Similarly, for the second phase, the issue of notification will be on 4th of February. Last day of making nominations 11th of February. Scrutiny of nominations will be on 14th of February, which is a Monday. Last day of withdrawal of candidature will be 16th of February, that is a Wednesday. And the date of poll will be 3rd March on a Thursday, on the Thursday. Counting of votes for both the phases of election will be held on 10th of March, that is a Thursday, and the whole electoral process shall be completed on 12th March 2022.